Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone, especially those at the other side of the world. There is no time and space between us. There is only this present moment, and we are one. We continue with our meditation on diary entry number 938. So the first portion or the first part was read and reflected on last I think that 2 days ago, before Thursday. Just as it had prayed fervently and at a great length in order to learn God's will, that he leave this director and choose another. Faustina is referring to the soul. If God's will is not absolutely clear, he should not make this change, for a person will not go far by himself. And Satan wants just this, to have the person who is aspiring for sanctity direct himself, because then, without doubt, he will never attain it. Gaya ng kung paano ito nananalangin ng taimtim at ng matagal upang malaman ang kalooban ng Diyos, gayon din naman ang marapat lamang na gawin kapag iiwanan niya ang direktor at pipili ng bago. Kung hindi ganap na malinaw ang kalooban ng Diyos, hindi siya dapat magbago ng direktor, sapagkat walang malayong maaabot ang isang kaluluwa sa kanyang sarili lamang. Ito lamang ang gusto ni Satanas, maidirihe ng taong ito ang kanyang mga aspirasyon tungo sa kabanalan sa pamamagitan ng kanyang sarili, sapagkat dito ay walang-wala siyang mararating, walang kaduda-duda. So, if a person is seeking for sanctity and praying for a spiritual director, if that person thinks that God's will is not absolutely clear, hindi malinaw ang kalooban ng Diyos, because he was praying for a spiritual director. So sabi ni Faustina, he should not make this change. Hindi niya dapat baguhin ang kanyang spiritual director. Bakit ba kailangan magbago ng spiritual director? Sometimes, one really has to change. For instance, the current spiritual director died. No? So, syempre, automatically, the soul has to look for another SD. So, again, the person will go through the process of discerning. The soul has to discern. But just as the soul prayed fervently and at length, no? Kung paano daw ng kaluluwang ito ay nagdasal ng mahaba, matagal, taimtim, para magkaroon ng direktor, ganun uli ang dadaanan niya whenever the person needs to change his or her spiritual director. So if God's will again is not absolutely clear, ganun pa rin, ano? Hindi malinaw, feeling mo, because one can feel that. So if the person feels that hindi yun, no? It is not the will of God. No? Halimbawa, nakapili na siya. Tingin niya, hindi naman yun ang will ng Diyos. No? Hindi niya dapat baguhin ang kanyang spiritual director. Bakit? Kasi kung feeling niya wala yung kalooban ng Diyos, yun nga yun naman, it is the opposite actually of what Satan wants, no? Yung hindi maganap ang kalooban ng Diyos at hindi siya makapili ng direktor or baguhin ang kanyang direktor, sapagkat ang gusto lamang isa na sabi niya ay hindi maganap ang pagbabago. Siyempre, kapag nagbago siya ng spiritual director, halimbawa, the first one was not really that yung feeling mo is not enough or is not doing the work, and the soul needs the person who is seeking for sanctity changed his or her spiritual director. Yun daw yung gusto ni Satanas. Sapagkat ang gusto ng Satanas ay ang sarili niya ang masunod. Ang sarili ng taong ito, this person. Yung kung anong gusto lang niya, yun ang masunod. Why? When a person directs himself, yung siya lamang, di siya hihingi ng tulong ng kahit sino man, much more to a spiritual director, wala raw itong maaabot. So, if you are doing things on your own, again, wala po tayong maaabot. We need to have someone to look after us. Tingnan tayo, subaybayan tayo, direct us spiritually. Because these souls, kung sino man ang napili mo na SD, no? These souls have already been there where we are right now. No? Kumbaga advance na nga siya eh. Kaya, if you will be looking for a spiritual director, make sure that that person is higher spiritually than your current level. Kasi syempre, kung mas mababa ang kanyang spiritual level sa'yo, how would he be able to understand your experiences? Hindi niya maintindihan yan. And the SD would just accuse you of the other things. So maybe sasabihin sa'yo, it's not the will of God, hindi makatulong sa iwan mo. No? Mga ganun ba, mga salip na tingnan ang inspirasyon na dumadaan sa'yo, o pasok sa iyong isipan, no, about doing the work to become a saint, no? If you're aspiring to be a saint towards sanctity, no? Ililigaw ka ni Satanas. But don't worry, if you are sincere in your intention, sabi nga, pure intention. Now, if your intention is pure, he would come at the right place at the very right moment, the very right time. Dadating po. So meanwhile, just enjoy the ride. Walang nadarama, ganun na lang muna. Never make a rush. May inilalaan ang ating Panginoon para sa atin, para siyang maging gabay natin.